Hello my dear foodies and welcome to our channel. As you all know, monsoon is round the corner and some little craving for something good will also be there. So here we are today with a recipe of bread pakoras for you. Let's get started. For this, we will be needing some gram flour. Take some gram flour in a bowl as per your wish and add some salt to taste. Followed by some turmeric powder. And now we are adding some red chili powder to it. Add carom seeds as well. Now mix the things well with the help of a whisk. Here we have to make a paste out of this material like we make for the regular pakoras. Add some water at regular intervals and keep on mixing it well till you get a lump-free and smooth batter. Keep on mixing water and keep on mixing it well with help of a whisk. Mix it well to get rid of any kind of lumps. Now, as you can see, we have obtained a paste which is lump-free and smooth. Keep this aside. And now we will move towards making the stuffing. For this, we will be needing some boiled potatoes and mash them properly and keep them in a bowl. Now, here we will be adding some salt to the boiled potatoes for making the stuffing. Add some salt to it, followed by some red chili powder, some coriander powder, dried mango powder or the amchur powder, some chaat masala, and freshly chopped coriander leaves. The spices we have added is according to your taste. You can decrease or increase the quantity as per your wish. Mix things well together so that the stuffing becomes tastier. Now, take the paste we have prepared and add some water to it if you think that paste is quite thick. As we saw, the paste is quite thick here, so we have added some water in it and mixing it well so that we get a thin, smooth paste. Now take a piece of bread. You can opt any bread, white or brown. Here we are taking the white bread first. Apply some ketchup or chutney or pizza seasoning or anything you like. Spread it well in one piece of bread. You can opt to add anything you want. On the other bread part, we are adding chutney as per our wish. You can even opt to add pizza sauce over it. Now take some stuffing and place it on the bread. Place it at one piece of bread and cover it with the other one. If you want, you can cut the bread pieces into diagonally two pieces. We have cut the bread in two pieces and now, or even you can opt to take it as a single piece. Repeat the process and make as much pakoras as you want. Here we have made one without ketchup or chutney. We have just placed the stuffing over the bread and covered it with other bread. Cut them into two pieces and place them in a separate plate. Heat up some oil in pan and take the paste. Don't forget to add a pinch of baking soda to the paste and mix it well. This will help in making the pakoras much crispier. Mix the things well and now take the stuffed breads we have prepared. Coat them properly with the paste and then coat them properly and fry them in hot oil. Take the stuffed breads one by one and keep on adding to the pan. We have to deep fry the pakoras. When you see it has been cooked from one side, keep on turning the pakora so that they get golden in color. If you keep on turning them, they will get fried as well and become much crispier. As you can see, they have fried well. Now take them out. Take the bread pakoras out one by one and serve it with your favorite ketchup or chutney. Have it with any chutney or ketchup or anything you like and enjoy with your family and friends in this monsoon. Do like the recipe and let us know in the comment section how you felt about this. Give your views and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes.